Hey guys, this is Jasper. Welcome to section 7 of this course. And first of all, congratulations for making it this far. And I know it's a pretty long course, but it's really important to go through every single lecture of the course in order to get all the benefits that you can get from taking in all the material. So welcome. This section, we're going to talk about loyalty account management. So let's take a look at the different topics that we'll be discussing. First of all, we'll talk about how to set up your award wallet, which is an application that you can use to track all the different points. Secondly, we'll talk about point expiration and, more importantly, how to prevent your points from expiring. Then we'll discuss portfolio management principles. And finally, we will talk about elite status, challenges, and matches in general, maximizing program benefits. So let's dive into the material and we'll see you in the next lecture.